Angie, and in this opportunity, let's talk about the consonant sounds from the IPA alphabet. The sounds of T, K, and R. The T sound is called the voiceless alveolar stop or plosive. That means that you stop the airflow with your tongue and the ridge behind your teeth. The T sound is voiceless. That means that you don't need your vocal cords to do the sound. The T sound you can use in a sentence like the example: top 10 tasty recipes of all time. Okay, to produce the T sound, you have to put your lips in a neutral position. Then, you have to block the air by placing the front of your tongue behind the top of your teeth, like this. And like the example at the slide. And you have to release the pressure by pulling the tongue back into your mouth, like this. Let's talk about the K sound. The K sound is called the voiceless velar stop or plosive. That means that you use the back of your tongue to block the airflow from your throat. The K sound is voiceless. That means that you don't need your vocal cords to do the sound. The K sound you can find it in the words like the sample: keep calm and take a beer. To produce this sound, you have to singly open your mouth and lift. To produce this sound, you have to singly open your mouth and lift your lips in a neutral position, like. Then you have to stop the air in your mouth, like this. Raise the back of your tongue forward your throat, like the image. Then you have to stop the air with the back of your tongue. You have to have air here and the tongue is back. And then raise with a strong puff. Let's talk about the sound. The sound is alveolar approximant. That means that you put your tongue near to the roof of your mouth and voice out. The sound is voice. That means that you have to use your vocal cords to do the sound. To do this sound, you have to open your mouth a little, and the tip of your tongue should be curled back like in the sample, and don't touch the alveolar ridge behind your upper front teeth. Like in the sample, you have to curl it back, but don't touch the roof of your mouth, and do the sound. Like in the sample, a pair of pears. You do pears. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.